Okay, yesterday we were configuring indirect activity allocation using cost element category 43, and we configured activity types and the SKF, which is the statistical key figure. Okay, now we'll use and we also configured splitting structures with rules, which is a necessary part. Now we'll go for the cost component structures, and we'll copy this, copy as, because the sample layout, the Z9 active does not exist. We don't need this. Chart of accounts is ZAP 9, I believe. Yeah, ZAP 9. Okay. Okay, because we are copying it, that's why. Um, we'll skip it because it's made for various chart of accounts. So we'll just skip that. 296 have been copied. Okay. Primary cost component split active, and this will be ZAP 9 cost component structure. Okay. Now, what we'll do here is we'll select this Z9 and cost components with attributes. Okay. And over here, we will just select all and we'll delete all of this. It is 7. Okay. New entries Z9 10 consumables. Okay, now what we're actually creating, basically, we are going to run indirect activity allocation. And these activities will be coming from cost component structure. Okay. And fixed and variable cost. Okay, fair enough. Cost, will it be part of cost of goods manufactured? Yes. Fixed and variable cost, because there's consumables, so it will have a certain slab of fixed and variables. Okay. And enter, save, ZAP 9. With attributes, next entry, Z9 30 fixed and variables. Save. Next, Z9 50 fixed and variable. Save. Next entry, Z9 90 salaries and save. Okay. Now let's do some assignments. Okay. New entries, cost component structure, Z9, ZAP9, 400, 392, and it will be related to 30. 30 is our consumables. ZAP9, 400, 600, and that was okay. Z9, ZAP9, 400, 500. Okay, let's save it. This was saved. Now we'll activate it. Successfully activated. Now what we are doing basically, let's go and check the attributes again. Now this is a very important part basically. Now what basically we are going to do is our costing overheads will flow from these um, uh, areas. Okay. Overheads all will actually flow into your product cost. And then what we have actually assigned, we have assigned not assigned anything. How is that? Just assigned that. 392 electricity consumables. Okay, we don't have anything consumables. Okay, Z9 Zap uh Zap 9. Okay, consumables, electricity, 400, 392. Oh no, let me open up FS 00. Zap 9, 400, 392 consumables. Three nine two electricity charges. Okay, this is good. Okay. 400, 500 is salary, 400, 600 is rent. Consumables, variable. Okay, this is empty. Electricity is there. Okay. 400, 600 is 400, 600 is rent. Okay, it is a rent. Okay. Rest, everything is okay, but why is the fourth missing? Shouldn't be missing. Okay, fine. Let's save it for now. Data was saved. Next is okay, EQ. Next step. Okay, 0. Settings for each fiscal year. Controlling area is ZAP 9. Okay, integrated planning. Double click. LP01. Okay, continue. Execute. Okay, refresh. It's finished. I'll go to OKEQ again. Come on. Controlling area settings. ZAP 9. Settings for each fiscal year. Double click. Okay, exchange rate P. Price calculation. Purely iterative method. Method will be periodic because we'll be running this indirect activity allocation indirectly every month. Periodic again. Okay. Revalue own business transaction and Z9. Okay. Transaction currency will be blank and we'll save it. Now again, let me just revise what we have actually done. For product costing, cost component structure basically, it's a framework where we actually designate or assign cost elements like rent, salary, because these are primary cost elements coming from FI. And we actually ascertain overheads, which were consumables, salary, rents that will flow to product cost in the name of overheads. So it will be absorbed in the material, the finished good that will sell in the end. Okay. So if we do not make a cost component structure, because our cost component includes, because we are making something car, we are making cars. So on cars, we are paying salaries. On making cars, we are paying rent. On cars, we are also incurring over consumables. Okay. So these heads basically will get absorbed in every car that will be manufactured. I hope the cost component structure part is clear. Okay. General valuation again. Let's stop over here and we'll discuss in the next one.